Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to view your speaker notes while presenting in Google Slides. Speaker notes are a powerful tool that helps you stay organized. Remember key points and deliver a polished presentation without having to memorize everything. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not signed in yet, Google will prompt you to log in using your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll be at the Google Slides homepage, where all your presentations are displayed. From here, you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. To start from scratch, click on Blank Presentation. If you want a quicker start, you can also browse through Google's templates to find one that fits your topic or style. Templates are a great way to get professional layouts quickly and can save you a lot of time. With your presentation open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to the slideshow button. Click on that arrow and several options will appear. You want to select Start Slideshow with Speaker Notes and Audience Q and A. This option is particularly useful because it not only displays your notes privately, but also allows you to engage with your audience in real time. It's perfect for interactive presentations where questions may arise. Once your slideshow starts, pay attention to the bottom of your screen. This is where your speaker notes will be displayed. These notes are visible only to you, so you can glance at them discreetly while maintaining eye contact with your audience. If you haven't added any notes yet, don't worry. Simply go back to each slide and click on the speaker notes section below it. Here, you can jot down important points, cues, or reminders that will help guide your talk and keep your delivery smooth. Using speaker notes in Google Slides is straightforward, yet it can dramatically improve the quality of your presentation. It ensures you cover all your points without forgetting anything, helps you stay organized, and keeps your audience engaged. For beginners, exploring the templates and practicing with speaker notes can also provide inspiration on how to structure your slides effectively. For seasoned users, it's a handy way to add extra polish to your presentations. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily view and use speaker notes on both desktop and iPad while presenting, helping you deliver professional and confident presentations every time. Remember to practice beforehand and make sure your notes are concise and clear. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy presenting.